What's good, MDK Squad? It's your boy Morro, aka the King, and I'm back here with another banger. Before we start this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment down below. Alright guys, so this video, we have my dear friend Lauren. So Lauren, you can introduce yourself.
I'm Lauren.
Alright, so I met Lauren in Nebraska. So basically, she wanted to try one of these right here. So we have an MRE. Lauren's going to be tasting the Southwest beef and the Southwest beef and beef. It's your actually able to see if she likes it or if she fails to like it.
6.5 hours later.
She's going to be trying what we see every day.
It's not looking like a meal yet.
You got to like it.
So, this is a beef stick formed and fermented. A mocha cappuccino, instant powder. So, I guess if you need to wake up in the morning, a tortilla chipotle, like the restaurant. And then
That's the food.
this is the black
Feel
beans.
how like,
It doesn't feel like beans to me.
it's all squishy.
Ew.
You have to eat this. You feel how this?
Oh, I don't know. Apples in pieces and spliced sauce.
I ain't never had this one.
It's
I'm
something.
not.
And then carrot cake, pound cake, the dessert. The best part. And then cheese bread. Yum. Is that a gunshot?
Well, back to the video.
Hopefully we survived the video at this point.
So, what do you want to try first? You want the
Um,
snack first or you want the meal first?
I think I want to do the meal first because it seems a little rice.
You rip this apart. Like you tear it.
It smells like dinner time.
Now you can take this part.
Why are you crying?
You guys see how this looks, bro? And does what? How does it look?
It looks.
Does it look?
Okay,
Does it look
okay.
tasty?
I mean, no, but like I don't know. So on one hand, it looks like throw up. But also like I don't know. Maybe if it was in like a burrito, like all meshed
Yeah,
up
so you-
together, it wouldn't look so bad.
So you open this right here. Get this. All right. So you place this down, and then you open that up.
Now this smells like a dog treat.
It does.
Like smells like dog
Which
treat. So, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it actually does.
Oh my god. Look how it looks. It's not even come off the spoon. Yep.
I'll save some for you.
Some for me.
We'll save some for you tomorrow.
No. All of this
So
is
what's
for
next?
you. So now you're gonna take it, and then you're gonna just roll it up, and then you eat it. You want some cheese spread on it?
It's actually not that bad.
You sure?
I mean, like,
It's just something that you will eat.
I mean,
Would you finish that whole thing?
if I was like extremely hungry,
Then you eat it.
like if I was like starving, like, but I would like rather not eat than eat this.
Mhm.
But like, if I was really hungry, it had been a couple days, or like I had a grueling workout at the military or something, I would. Sad but true.
Are you going to take another bite of the burrito?
I mean,
It's up to you.
I think I got the taste already.
That's up to you. So now what we did was we took this and we put all the trash in that. Applesauce.
Oh. This looks like the topping of like peach cobbler.
Oh my god, that looks. I never had that before, so I wouldn't tell you how that tastes. All right, so we got that down. Now you're gonna eat it. Did you eat it?
This?
Oh,
Not
yeah.
yet.
All right, let's see how it tastes.
The moment of truth.
I like the regular applesauce. Them how it tastes.
I mean, it doesn't really taste much like something I would want to continue eating. But it tastes like
You said something I won't continue eating. Oh my
it tastes
God.
like the top of like a peach cobbler, which I really don't like.
I don't like peach
It's
cobbler
like,
at all.
like apple cobbler, like some cobbler or something. Like this would be in a pie.
I won't
But it's
eat
just a
none
little
of it.
bit less good. I mean, like,
You ate all of it, so that means it must be good if you ate it.
it's not bad. It's okay. I wouldn't just eat it by choice, but.
All right, so that's done. Here you go.
It smells good.
My favorite dessert is chocolate chip cookie, and some of them come with Skittles.
Would you eat a chocolate chip cookie just for fun? Yeah? You had to think about it.
How does the carrot cake?
It's okay. I can taste the bits of
It's a
carrot.
lot of flies over here.
I can taste the bits of carrot, which makes it worse. But
Yeah, I didn't eat the carrot cake. I didn't
it's
like
actually not bad.
I didn't eat the carrot cake.
Like, I'm gonna be honest. If I didn't know this was an MRE, like, I think the fact that I know it's an MRE makes it worse. But if I didn't know it's an MRE, or that it could be like 20 years old, if I didn't know that this could be like 20 years old, I would actually be eating it and enjoy it. Like, you know, like,
You
it's
would?
not bad.
I'm not eating this shit. I hate. Now, I will never eat an MRE again. I don't like them anymore.
It's actually
Now,
worse
this
than I
is the
said.
beef stick. This shit stinks bad. Like, it smells like dog food. And you're gonna need this afterwards. The beef stick?
This is the
shit
worst.
stinks.
This is the worst of everything. Well, no, this and the tortilla are about the worst. I think the
tortilla.
carrot cake.
The carrot
The
cake
carrot
is,
cake was okay.
to me, if I would've ate this, the carrot cake is the worst. You don't want it at all.
The beef stick is very nasty, and so was the tortilla.
Alright, MDK squad, this is the end. That's all of this video I have for you guys today. If you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button
And hit the like button.
and comment down below. Alright, MDK squad, that's all we have for you today. If you want to further those frees, make sure you go to that video, comment down below.
Comment down below right now.
Yeah, right
Win
now.
the Yeezys.
Alright, MDK squad, peace out. See you in the next video.
Hey. Pause. Whoa.